1989 Foxbody Mustang, commonly referred to as the notchback, this one. So no hatch, just a short little stubby boot. We're getting this car ready for Drag Challenge 2019 here in Australia. We've used a lot of American parts on it, 9-inch diff, coilovers, axle strange, billet brakes, all that sort of stuff. Coilover struts, chrome molly front end, all so we can run the Barra turbo into it. So we've created engine mounts, trans mounts, cross members, everything so you can just drop it all in. You sure? So there we go. The Aussie 2J, Ford Barra, 4 litre, factory turbo motor this one. We've gone to Plasma Man, had them do one of their retro billet intakes for it. We're running 1700cc injectors, Howtech ECU on this one. We've gone to manual brakes so we can get the clearance we need. Local Aussie here, Johnny Tigg, has whipped us up one of his XR turbo manifolds. We've gone for a 42mm Garrett turbo on there. Obviously we've got our engine mounts in it, Turbo 400 being built locally here in Adelaide. We're just going to have a heap of fun. Initially we're just aiming for around the 500 rear wheel kilowatt mark. We're not going stupid on performance to get the car out there, but hoping the second year we'll aim for sort of 700-800, which is 1,000 plus rear wheel horsepower, and see if we can keep the little 235s in the back holding on. So we're not tubbing it, we're going to run on 235 radials just to see what happens. Yeah, I had a Commodore Ute with the number plate on it, because when everyone ever saw it, they just said, for fuck's sake. The wheels were huge, it was low, big tubs, it was a crazy thing. And yeah, the car's long gone and I kept the plates. And perfect, absolutely perfect fitment for the Foxbody Mustang.